Ebijan for Ahaya GC News, Mima Bawumia Akwaba, Ahadie latest and hot news, and Enamede Bremo. Anuti, so we subscribe, ya, but Modia say, obe subscribe to channel, Sansa Ahadie latest and hot news, Enamede Bremo. The Obayana say, over click it, the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification, we had a new video be a bear upload on when the first person was Sabeka ASR video. I feel we and I like the video and give us a thumbs up, now fee. Shema or Fofroso na when you be here now who and somewhere ekoso ewo Ghana be muhanum afi yenhwe eye en semwa abeto yapnoso itie eye sa report ya ababutuja yintie
eyezu eyeza ehejo MFA, hey. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. I've just come hot off the campaign trail in the Ashanti region, and I want to tell you that the people of Ashanti region extend their greetings to all of you, and they say on Saturday you are going to be surprised at what is going to come from Asante region. Ezu, my brothers and sisters, my beloved Ghanaians, the time is now. The time to replace fear with hope is now. The time to replace cynicism and disillusionment with courage and determination is now. The time to replace poverty and insecurity with solid development and safety for all is now. The time to restore the economic fortunes of Ghana is now. Ladies and gentlemen, the time to reset our country, Ghana, is now. Saturday's election is not just another election. It is a defining moment for our nation. It is a choice between the Ghana we have today and the Ghana we want together. A Ghana of opportunity, prosperity, and justice for all. Our young people deserve to live in a Ghana where their voices are heard and their dreams can become reality. The working people of Ghana deserve decent, sustainable jobs that enable them to care for their families and live with pride. And I mean well-paying jobs. People in the public sector deserve recognition for their merit. They also deserve stability, predictability, and good working conditions. Our entrepreneurs deserve a free and fair market where their ingenuity and industry can thrive. Women and girls deserve true equality, safety, and the chance to reach their full potential. And every Ghanaian deserves leadership that puts the people first, that fights corruption, and that builds a nation we can all be proud of. My comrades and friends, this is why I'm committed to building a stable, safe, and viable 24-hour economy that creates opportunities for millions of jobs to be created. I am committed to implementing economic measures to fight inflation and make food more affordable for all Ghanaian households. And this is why I'm committed to running the leanest government in our country's history, with no more than 60 ministers and deputy ministers of state. And also a low number of political appointees, and cutting out wasteful government spending and scrapping the payment of ex gratia. And this is why I'm committed to waging a relentless war on corruption. Operation Return All the Loot. This operation will be implemented with dedicated zeal to retrieve the stolen monies and properties for our country's development and for the benefit of our young people. I'll fight corruption to restore integrity and fairness, which are two critical ingredients missing from the governance of Akufo Addo and Bawumia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why I'm committed to empowering women and ensuring that they are no longer treated as second-class citizens in their own nation. The stature of my able vice presidential candidate, soon to be the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman, and our plan to set up a women's development bank to support the establishment of more women-owned businesses and our traders from tabletop to large-scale businesses are all practical demonstrations of that commitment we have. My fellow Ghanaians, I cannot do this alone. Your vote is your voice. Your vote is your power. And your vote is the key to unlocking a better future for the people of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to take action on Saturday. This is not a decision we can leave for another time. It is not a decision we can leave for another election or another generation. This is our moment, and the time is now to bring about the change we need in order to reset Ghana. We need to reset our democracy, to reset our governance, to reset our economy, to reset our finances, reset our agriculture, reset our infrastructure, environment, reset our health and education sectors, and everything else that we hold dear as Ghanaians. The vision to build the Ghana we want is a collective responsibility. And so let us vote on Saturday to reject despair and to choose hope. Let us vote to reject impunity and choose respect. Let us choose hard-working and trustworthy leadership. My comrades, Ghanaians are going to hold us to a higher standard than they have held the MPP. And I want to remind you once again that there is no use fighting for political power if we would come and commit the same atrocities that they have inflicted on the people of Ghana these last 8 years. My brothers and sisters, Ghanaians are going to put their trust in us on December 7th. But we must prove ourselves worthy of that trust. The change we are all looking for starts with you. And I promise you that we will work together to be able to put our country back on its feet. December 7th is just 2 days away. And I encourage all of you to vote for John Mahama. And I'll make you all proud of the Ghana that we are going to build together. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to vote wisely. And I want to caution the MPP administration and to caution our security services and the military and the entire body of people who are in charge of supervising this election. I urge you to resist the nefarious actions that some people are planning. To the people of Ghana, the National Democratic Congress will go to the polling stations with you. Together, we will police and courageously protect our votes and resist all attempts to steal them. Minyanom, me pese me damu nyina say, the executives nyina, omo constituencies no, and our regional executives, branch executives, Ghana fo nyina, ye share omo, abra, ye ba campaign, ewo munkro anase mumpeso aso. Awa tu sronko a modeje ya no, nyame enhyira mu nyina. Emrena so se ye fa ahudi a etosu mienu 7 December eba na emrena so se osoma ne dabre eye enwrem a oba krom a wabese ye bibia emrena so se sa osono no ye pam no na osanko baby ofri baaye osanko enwrem ezu minuanum me kachire mo se MPP fo ankasa omo apaba MPP fo ankasa eye omo ferie ni anana Akufo Addo ene Bawumia abaye omo ensusu se ni ana omo kanina na eye entro ene omudi enti omo ankasa omo abamebu enti MPP for bebre me na make achiremo mimi da ebe 7 December Ghana nyina na ebeto aba na abato a yebeto no enye NDC ni floating voters nkwa MPP for the B ebe voti ama NDC sada no ezu eza efise nia eya me nafofo a wosa party mu eka kire me kokwam ene se President Mahama Akufo Addo Bawumia omo government yi agu ye party hu fi agu ye party enimase enti Kenya ho na ko okunden na ma ye party no enko opposition every say ye pese ye ko opposition na nipa kakra omo agi ye party aboso no ye gi ye party every omonsem ni esiesie ye party ni biom asani abepre abatu obiom ezu eza enfie wotwe anana Akufo Addo ene Bawumia beje oman no ensemo omoka 2016 ene woka omoka ye na oka ne seni omoka ye no na omobuafu na enye me na mekan enye NDC for ne kan omo akasa obi amfa sika nto omokom so omoka ne omoka no Ghana yeye mobododo. Yeye mobododo. Ghana nye hiamai. Yeti sikaso. Eswe komde. Wane kai me. Nana Akufo Addo Toronto ne kai. Teachers are suffering, nurses are suffering, and farmers are suffering. Policemen are suffering, doctors are suffering, and everybody is suffering. Mina be kind. Omo de ka myself. You can do all the propaganda with the economy you like. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Samreno na omundi omaino soda. Nti na omodwe se eyemre. Omo hwe se ne yebu omaino eko ana enioma ekoso. Na omodwe se da fom. Na emre bi meka se trade fair meka kire omo. Me say hey. Mo hwe se ne ye enioma ye adwuma. Mundi president da o. Enti mamon dwen say eyade a eye easy a obi abetimi aye. Na nyame ncha de. Nyame de oyenwa agwagwade. If we say 2016 obeka say ye call abatwa ye din kugo no na nyame empe asem. Enso na be hwe machire a odi to mi ne hye omunsa. Ene sebi omoto adadi ni ombe ya na omaye no bibia ya mbeka ho manati Ghana henyina bebia bekobia ahemfu nyina omo se na moye kwan bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mu si school dan bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mo twekania bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mo maye sio baby abuja ye no ehwa na aka eza na 16 regions ningi na amako ahefo asofo imamfo amamfo nyina 16 regions ningi na obia je tumuse abatwa ye betui nyame adawromanti Yesu adawromanti inshallah NDC bedi kunim meme da ebe eza asofo any imam fonyina bompaye eba NDC sa yendi kunim wa batonum na minim se nyame etie ompaye bo na kunim de so beye ye dia nyame adumunti esu minu anom bebi bebre amako obi ase president Mahama ye beto ama esu yesreo boy yaba no ho ban na dia me ka che omo ne se aba ye nyina beto no ye nyina ene bebo ho ban enti bebi amako bi amaka che Ghana fo se woto aba na woto wia se woni bibia ya wo de nante ho se wo bibia wo de ko na ekobo 5 asambra na be hwe se ne be kan aba no wo video camera cha wo camera cha ye nyina ene be bie ye ni se ne be ya bato ne be ya frenchim moi ye yi mo se mo kotna abato na no ye party agents branch executives ward coordinators. Musika yedi tuamo yedi come regions into obia ebenyane de into obia enye adwumaden se ne be ya yebebo abatro no ho ban. Afi we de ye nae ye to abani ya ye nyina ye na kopem se yebebo results no na Madam Jean Mensa Ebeka said, I wish to declare the winner of the 2024 presidential election and is the candidate of the NDC, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ezu Enyami adom ebebam abamu ewie ezu eza manyane ntiye se omo starte chiche sika ejuma ani efe ni MBSSI senia omo ye no 2020 no omo ashasi biom omo fan perform mobile phone numbers and omo de sika etum na me de ne ameka ne se obia otibe yeye asa sika no beba bedwa wo mobile so anase ye beba be kan ahye won sa mesrew eye won fifre sika eye wo bre sika sa sika no je na yeden na di enso wo kotro aba kai efe wo twe a ohia achewo kai ahokyira wonamu kai ejuma a wonya bi nye kai yesika sema asai na kotro abapa ema NDC minano iya ina maza da mata ina gere kuduka ranar asabar za mu jefa kuriya ku yankuri don Allah ku tuna wahalan da mun bi cikin sakarunga a cikin Ghana da Bawumia da Akufo Addo ke duban Ghana idan za mu jefa kuriya mu tuna wahalan da mun yi mu tuna nyuwan da ya ji mu sai mu je mu jefa kuriyanmu mu ba NDC yanda ake ce cikin wakan na sun yi me sun yi failing don su yi me su zo su kwashe kayansu eche se o ma failing on be sisa o munyoma kowa ya sani a lokacin NDC musulmai da zongoni muna samu cin gaba don shi mu duka za mu jefa kuryanmu mu ba NDC saboda NDC ta zo ta rage kudin haji mu duka mu samu mu je Maka mu je mu yi sallah ezu yau idan za ka haji kudin da ana karban ya zama $4,550 NDC ya zo za mu yanka $1,000 mu yare mu yi shi $3,500 yanda da ike lokacin NDC minyanum ene sekramoni kasa oko meka omojinu sika $4,500 ayebe 75,000 na dollar so enkosoro sidi mom na apeja enti yede nyame ya adominim so be ya adom so NDC ba sa sika na omoje for Maka no yebe te abafom yebe yi $1,000 free so na asamba $3,500 send na ne tie abra NDC wo ho ezu eza danwa yena iya yena maza da mata za mu kara muku holiday guda akan Idul Fitr holiday na saboda waransu na kwance su yi sallah yau sai waransu su yi sallah gobe amma holiday na guda kada ne don shi za mu kara guda saboda an yi sallah yau a samu ranar futawa an yi sallah gobe a samu ranar futawa ezu inye bime min gaje fe wala ke 7 December ni ba oba for shiki ni MPP Bawumia ke Akufo Addo noni ake wo fe asomwa alakawo nona ke fe anyafe ni agbene ke okwega na mefe wonpi homonyewo NDC yo ake homonyewo nomi aho ke ohe komi 1 cedi chi agbene 5 cedis ni namo wo fe wole ake homoni ake eyewo mene ni homoyewo wa adienche ewo wo ba fo wo shiki koni NDC abasama ni wo telegana kegme back on his feet mini anum madam nyina ase na ye fa hudia etosu mienu ena ebe abato a yebetui ye dachi abato ena ebeto enne katasi shene proye ajiga na hanyina Abraham ye mampenyi national service yebeto se na omudi dini bi aka ho ena omu yesika no ye mabia na ekoye nhwem ye pam national service officers 110 ye yomo ewe jumam ebi mu ye diom ko gina court chese na asem no court enne mikotia ye senia ye kon etia ye no Akufo Addo ne Bawumia asade aba national service for muntu omuka mudi omuka be 6 months allowances and so much be a gumu asaman kwa ene wom bosumi bia mu yi sika no bosumi bia ye say omunya 28 million Ghana cedis bosumi bia aden na mu di sika na ko hihye mo mpaase na mo kwa ni mo ebusia ene nya ho faso hwe airport amisiye airport ni nyina yesi here $250 million terminal 3 na modi e-gate per ebesi ho a e-gate no bo exchange terminal 3 ni nyina ezu na munim adikrontia Akufo Addo ataso se opese Bawumia ebeje akonya no ebese opese obekata neto se na be ya ombenya asumdwe no makodi omsika eso embasoda tweda mponyankopo nim se NDC ene beba na ye banso asika omo awie nyina japade a Ghana for japade omo afom ye bedi omo echi ni age ya de asade abema Ghana for ezu eza Ora Bawumia say we are moving from taxation to production. Meanwhile, Okasa no the 20 be eka ho, no the 20 be eka ho. Ene Ghana, ena yet 12 doors to change Africa man nyina. 1890 say ye ba levy a yɛka sɛ mo fa nto so no yɛbɛyɛ firi hɔ ezu emaburu metie mo sufrɛ mo betting tax no so yɛbɛyɛ firi hɔ ezu COVID levy yɛbɛyɛ firi hɔ eza emrena so na yɛnim sɛ yɛ nuanom deɛ emre bia abatoɔ ɛbɛba ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmu wiem enti yɛnya ne nteɛ na mepɛ sɛ EC ebusa ɔmo ho ɛyɛ dɛn ɛna MPP nya printing plate na yɛde printing ballot papers ɛne registers a ɔmo printing ɔmo adeɛ ɛne ame ne woka sɛ yɛse hɔhɔe yɛakye kaa biom a ballot papers ne nneɛma wom ɛna ɔmo yɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛgye kaa no nti saa station officer wɔ hɔhɔe wo release saa kaa na nyame yɛ adom ne yɛba yɛne wo bɛdi nti wo deɛ kye kaa no ne ngyina hɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ golokwate yɛsɛ ɛwɔ golokwate ɛna ɔmo akye saa kaa no ezu nti na etwa toɔ mɛsrɛ yɛ bambɔfoɔ yɛ policefoɔ ɛne electoral commission foɔ mohu Ghana mmɔbɔ na edwuma a ɔmo eyi mo sɛ mo nkɔyɛ no yɛsrɛ mo monyɛ mo edwuma no frenkyɛm sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a nea Ghanafoɔ pɛ no ɛno ɛna ɛbɛyɛ hɔ enti mesrɛ mo ɔmo a ɔmo bɛhwɛ abatoɔ no so ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo nyɛ wɔn edwuma yie mimi da yɛkɔ obiara hwehwɛ kyiniɛ no mɛnkɔka sɛ wɔhwehwɛ number 8 because abatoɔ krataa no yɛntwerɛ number biara wɔ so nti nea wɔbɛhwehwɛ a ne kyiniɛ no na wohu kyiniɛ no a na wode wo kokromoti na wode abɔ ink no mu na wode tim ballot paper no so ezu wode wo kokromoti tim ballot paper no so wie a na wode ntomago ɛda hɔ no anaa tissue no na wode apopa wo kokromoti no yie sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ ink no bɛwo ansa no asa sɔ krataa no mu ɛnyɛ saa sɛ ink na wo na wokɔ som na ɛkɔ tim baby foforɔ a ɛne waba na sɛn nti papa wo kokromoti no yie ansa no asɔ krataa no na wabobɔ na wode akotum enti 7 December enye yin na abeto aba MPP for ni bi na omo pese omo dada Ghana for say ebi beto saa dai ebi beto saa dai saa de na saa nkrofo no ye no it's a crime, it's a criminal offense na minim say omo party was so nti omo nya omo hwe but criminal offense any expiry date NDC ba nana bi ne saa nkrofo no omo ye saa no ye be che omo atum in Ghana's law, it is a crime to mislead voters. It is there in the law. Into Obia or yes, Serbia, any Obia or Bay Serbia, NDC ba, Yabecho Maso. Ezu, Eza, Enti, Minanum, Emse, Madame Wase, Mumubia, Mobaye, Yabi Sramo, Moko Swa, Yame Enfamoko Asumdremo. Na asempa mwate wo ha no momfa nkɔ bebia Ghana ha bebia na ka che obia sɛ obia enhye ne sapo musuo ebi sɛ emre na ba emre na so memenda ebai nyame adom Ghana ebeto aba na nyame bekasa ebedru anajofa kasa yebete ewo Ghana ha ene se nyame adom NDC edinkunim ewo abatonum medamu ase
yo waiting for winning and some ababeto yepno so make out say so when you subscribe to channel ya bomodi ase obe subscribe and say hadia latest and hot news in kwa enamede bremo afi we are no like video no like the video na fi share ma for so na onye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana mema also betimi achere wadwen afa eye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.